Jungle.
So for today's small project, I'll be replacing the front struts on this 2013 Chevy Impala. The McPherson strut is a type of automotive suspension system that uses the top of the telescopic damper as an upper steering pivot. For removal, we'll first need to jack the car up, and since I'm replacing both struts, I'm using the cross section of the frame to lift the entire front end, then setting jack stands on either side. I'm using a 19mm socket to remove the lug nuts, and now with the wheel out of the way, we have full access to our strut assembly. So you'll want to pop the hood and remove the 3 nuts that mount the strut to the chassis using a 15mm socket. Then use a 21mm deep socket to remove the 2 nuts that fasten the bottom of the strut to the steering knuckle. These bolts are pressed in place, so thread the nuts back on until they sit flush, then use a hammer for removal. There's no need to mark the position of the struts because they can only be installed one way. The new parts were ordered off Rock Auto for around $90 a piece, and they're quick struts, so they come fully loaded, which saves you the hassle of transferring the spring or other components to the new part for installation, which is of course reverse or removal. If your bolt holes don't line up, we have no problems, only solutions. Just push down and inward on your rotor.